So nowadays most common question what I hear is about finasteride. Do we need finasteride? Does it have any side effects? So let me clear few facts about finasteride. So first of all, what is finasteride? Finasteride is a tablet that blocks the secretion of DHT. So now in my previous videos, if you have seen, I have told the main reason why men lose hair. That is because of testosterone getting converted into DHT. Now what finasteride does is it blocks the secretion of testosterone into DHT, so that there is no DHT in the body or reduced levels of DHT in the body. And this DHT, since there is no DHT, there is no damage to our hair follicles. That's how finasteride acts. Since it is DHT blocker, it forms mainstay in all hair loss cases, and even post hair transplantation we use finasteride. So in post hair transplantation, why do we use finasteride? It is mainly for the existing grafts and the existing hair. Many people have lot of existing hair when we are doing hair transplantation, especially in initial grades like grade 3, grade 4, grade 5. These people have existing hair. Now if you want to maintain this existing hair, you have to block DHT. Other than finasteride, there is no other tablet or there are no natural methods that blocks your DHT. That's the reason why finasteride is used during hair transplantation, and also without hair transplantation, and in people, especially in male pattern hair loss, finasteride forms a mainstay of treatment. Now coming to the side effects. Generally, finasteride is always confused with testosterone. One thing should be very clear here: finasteride is not reducing your testosterone levels. It is only stopping the conversion of testosterone to DHT. Your testosterone levels will remain normal. Only DHT is not formed in the body, and we don't need DHT for any other functions. They say finasteride will cause reduced sexual drive, premature ejaculation, and recently I heard a patient telling that it makes his sperm thin. So all these things are like psychological side effect. We call this as psychological side effects. Why? Because people read about finasteride, they hear about finasteride from here and there are a lot of rumors. So whenever people start hearing rumors and they start thinking it, they start experiencing those side effects. Whatever said and done, the sexual drive, all these things are in our mind. So whenever we overthink about things, we start experiencing those side effects. That's the reason why men who are taking finasteride experience side effects. That too, 2% of the population. 98% of the population doesn't have any side effects. Only for this 2%, you should not be deprived of this tablet, because this tablet forms mainstay in your hair loss treatments. And in case if someone experiences side effect, you can always come to us. We can stop the tablet. The side effect is reversible. Then it is not a permanent side effect. First of all, side effect is psychological, and in case if it happens, we can always stop the tablet, and then the side effects are reversible. And one more question is finasteride safe if I am planning pregnancy? Like if I am newly married, my wife is planning pregnancy, can we continue finasteride? Now there have been enough studies to prove that finasteride is not secreted in your semen. So please note, finasteride is not secreted in your semen. So it is absolutely safe to take finasteride, especially the male. Male can always take finasteride even if they are planning their family, if they are newly married, irrespective of the age. Only for men who are more than 40 years of age, they have to do a test before we start finasteride. Other than that, it is safe in all age groups and in all phases of your life.